Adjust the screw jack on the lifting platform to ensure that the screw heights are basically the same. Install the printing panel on the lifting platform. Tighten the fixing screws, but do not tighten them. Install the dial indicator on the guide rail slider to check whether the printing panel is flat. Adjust the screw jack on the lifting platform to ensure that the flatness error of the printing panel is within 0.2 millimeters. Install the dial indicator on the side of the platform to check if the print panel is vertical. Gently shake the print panel to ensure the vertical direction error is within 0.2 millimeters. Reinstall the dial indicator on the guide rail slider. Tighten the fixing screws between the lifting platform and the print panel. Confirm if the flatness error of the printing panel is within 0.2 millimeters. Adjust by regulating the fixing screw and screw jack. Tighten the long screw jack until it just contacts the printing panel, ensuring the dial gauge reading remains stable. Reinstall the dial indicator on the side and verify the vertical direction error of the printing panel is within 0.2 millimeters. If not, loosen the 6 screws at the bottom of the lifting platform to adjust. Finally, power on and confirm the lifting platform operates normally.